Right, good evening everybody. Trojan War, first clash, first round, Scar. Been invited to play against Rob Dulcimania over in Sin City. If I know Rob very well, which I do, then he's going to be talking some clash talk, trying to build up a little thing with a nice little cute intro. You know how Americans love the sound of their own voices. So I'm just going to get straight to it and let Jackie do my talking. First shot, straight to Rob Dulcimania. Right then Rob, let's see what you got, man.